So you've got Ollama running. Nice. Now let me show you the part where most people mess things up without realizing it. Here's what usually happens. You pick a model that looks powerful, and suddenly everything slows down. Like, painfully slow. So, you switch. You choose smaller models. Now it runs faster, but the answers feel off. Too simple, and sometimes even wrong. So now you're stuck in this weird spot. Too big, it lags. Too small, it's not useful. And it starts to feel like your computer just isn't good enough. I even saw someone ask, do I need a high-end GPU to run this properly? Honestly, no, you don't. But if you don't set this up right, it really feels like you do. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna walk you through a simple step-by-step way to pick the right model for your system. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to run to get the best balance of speed and quality. And stick around, because there's one small detail almost nobody pays attention to. Once you see it, you can run way more powerful models than you think your machine can handle. When you see a name like Llama 3 8B, that B simply means billions of parameters. Think of parameters like items in a suitcase. 3B, this is your carry-on. It's light, it's fast, runs easily on an 8GB RAM laptop. Great for quick tasks, summaries, simple emails. But once things get complex, like coding or deeper reasoning, it kind of runs out of space. Now, 8B, this is your checked bag. This is the sweet spot. Smart enough for most tasks, but still runs smoothly on a 16GB RAM machine. If you're not sure what to pick, this is usually it. Then you've got 70B. This is like a full shipping container. Incredibly powerful, almost overkill. But unless you've got serious hardware, trying to run this will push your system hard. Fans spinning, everything slowing down. So here's the simple rule. Match the suitcase to your desk. If you're on 8GB of RAM, stay under 8B. If you've got 16GB, 8B is your sweet spot. Now let's talk about the Q you keep seeing, like Q4 or Q8. That stands for quantization. Think of it like saving a photo as a JPEG. Q8 is like the full quality version. Everything is preserved, nothing is lost. But it takes up a lot of space, and it uses a lot of RAM. Q4 is the compressed version. You lose a tiny bit of quality, barely noticeable, but you cut memory usage almost in half. So in real terms, Q8 equals heavier, slower, more demanding. Q4 equals lighter, faster, easier to run. Now here's the part most people miss. Look for this tag, Q4KM. This is the sweet spot. It's a smarter type of compression. You keep most of the model's intelligence, but lose the extra weight you don't need. And this is what lets a regular laptop run models that feel way more powerful than they should. Alright, let's make this practical. If you were to download a model right now, which one should you pick? First, if you care about speed, or you're on an older laptop, go with Phi 3. It's a 3.8B model from Microsoft. Super lightweight, very fast, and honestly, way smarter than you'd expect for its size. Next, if you want something balanced for writing, thinking, everyday use, go with Llama 3. This is the sweet spot in the 8B range. It feels more natural, more human when it responds. For most people, this is the default choice. Now, if you're doing coding, don't use a general model. Use DeepSeek Coder V2. It's built specifically for programming. Think of it like this. You don't hire a handyman to fix your plumbing. You hire a plumber. Same idea here. This model just understands code on a deeper level. So instead of guessing, pick the model that matches what you actually want to do. Alright, so now you've got the framework. You're not guessing anymore. You're matching the model to your machine. But here's the thing. Even the best model is only half the story. Right now, your AI knows a lot about the world, but it knows nothing about you. In the next episode, we fix that. We're going to build your private brain. I'll show you how to load your own PDFs, notes, and documents into Ollama so it can answer questions about your life without a single byte of data ever leaving your computer. For now, here's your move. Download Phi 3 and Llama 3. Run them side by side, see which one feels smoother on your machine. Then drop your RAM specs and which one won for you. I'll check the comments. I'll see you in episode 4.